Hey, what's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. And today, guys, we're gonna do a day in the life with Seancutshair. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, run all my errands, and show you guys kind of what I do on a daily basis. We're gonna include some YouTube and some color cards and all of that. So anyway, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so before we head out, we're going to go ahead and check our orders for the color enhancement cards, print out some labels and get some shipped. I'm going to show you guys around the office and some things I'm working on in here, and then we'll head out and get some stuff done. Alright guys, so usually every morning I'll come in here. I always have my YouTube dashboard up, so we'll refresh that. We'll check and see kind of what's been going on since yesterday since I checked it. I don't know why my internet's so slow. I'll be looking at my subscriber count right here and how much it's gone up. Some of these other numbers. This is my last video. How well it's done, how many views, all of that. My next page I usually have up, guys, is the Seancutshair Shopify page. And then this that you guys can see is my shipping software. So what we'll do, we'll go here and we will sort these in each order. We'll print the labels out, then we'll pack them up and get them on their way. All right, so these two are the 5-pack deals, so we're gonna pack them first. All right, these are all single orders. I got one order of 2, and then we'll envelope them up. All right, guys, so this last one gets 2. Take my cards right here. Stack of envelopes. I like to flip them so they're easy to go on right. Labels never want to sit. So, all right, so the first one gets 2, so we'll take 2 color cards. Pack it up. All of these are singles, so I will go ahead and sticker all of them, and then we'll fill them after that. All right, so there's all those. These 2 are gonna get 5 packs. You guys see, only got 1 left. So let's get into the collection and get some more out. I want you guys to see this. I went through and sorted and counted the other day. So each of these boxes right here are 1,000. Those are stacks of 100. And that 245 box down there is full as well. So we're just gonna grab a stack. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small stack, throw it over here, and we'll pack up these 5 packs. All right, you guys can see we got those packed up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of what I'm doing in the office. The wife has got tired of sharing the TV in the living room, so we're actually gonna go today, guys, and pick up a new TV to put up here on the wall. We're gonna put a couch back there. That way I can have my Xbox and my YouTube, and I'll be able to sit in here and watch. So that means this table is going, guys. So today I got a filing cabinet to keep some things in. I have a little 4 shelf, the little 4 cubicles. We're gonna put right there next to it, and we will store all the color cards, all the envelopes and all that in there to get rid of this table. I'm actually gonna take the table to the shop for some of the check-in stuff as we open back up. You guys will get a nice little couch or futon, something nice back here. And then this will be the lounge. So I'm gonna get some artwork, hang some artwork up here. I will have a nice big TV above the desk, and I'll have me a nice little man cave workspace. So, but anyways, guys, let's head out. We're gonna go to Office Depot. We're gonna go to Best Buy and grab the TV. Luckily, guys, I have a client that works at Best Buy. I just reached out to him, hey, you guys got any super deals on TVs? And we have an open box Samsung 65-inch for 400 bucks. So we're gonna go grab that. If I can get a mount, I might go ahead and throw it up. That mount's not gonna be big enough for a 65, but and then we'll come back and do some organizing here. I think I have a couple other errands to run, but we'll see what we get into. All right guys, so the post office is as soon as you leave my neighborhood, so that's pretty sweet. We're gonna go drop those off. I just realized that that 65 inch is not gonna fit in the BMW, so we're gonna run to my mom's house, swap cars with her. She's not gonna drive the Beamer, she's just gonna let me borrow hers. We'll go pick up the TV and do the rest of that. All right guys, just got to my mom's. We're gonna swap cars, but I'm gonna let you guys meet my dog I've had for 10 years. She lives with my mom now, and we'll go in here and you guys can meet her. Then we'll take the car and head to Best Buy. Where's my dog? Legs. Can you sit? Can you shake? Lay down. Lay down. No. You didn't do it. You didn't do it. Okay, we're gonna go. I'm gonna go. All right guys, so I got some boxes I gotta throw away before we can pick up the TV. So I stopped by the shop, we're gonna throw them in the dumpster, and we're gonna run in and just make sure everything's all right, see if we got any mail. And you know guys, with not working for 2 months, I turn them wipers off. You know, 2 months off, you know, I like to come up here. Sometimes I come every day, just come up, check things out, make sure nothing's going on. I'll film a video or whatever. So we're gonna run in, check on everything, make sure we're all good, and then we'll head to Office Depot and Best Buy. All right, we ain't burned it down yet. No mail. Looks like everything's all right. We're about to get in here, guys, and start to set up and make sure we're ready to get back. But anyway, I guess we can head and run the rest of our errands. All right guys, so I got a couple bubble mailers. You guys know I just did the custom clipper video, so I need a mailer to mail that out, and I had to mail out the green clipper lid that I gave away as well. And then we got some folders for my filing cabinet. You guys know, if they're gonna give me an option, I'm gonna go with the green. I just revamped the whole channel to the 1045 green. So you know that's what I'm gonna get. So anyways, let's head to Best Buy. All right, so he's going in to look for the TV, guys. My guy let me know they had this discount. Samsung 65 inch for 400 bucks is a hell of a deal. Now it is an open box, so $400 for a 65 inch, not too bad. But anyways, guys, the lesson there is make sure you're taking care of your clients and they will return the favor. And that's one of my favorite things about this is just the relationships I have with people and that I'm able to really go out of my way to take care of people and that they can reciprocate as well. And it makes my life a lot easier too. So my guy at Best Buy has definitely taken care of me. Anytime I need a charge or anytime I'm looking for something, I just hit him up. He'll let me know what they got. But anyways, all right guys, so we got it loaded up. Literally guys, open box. It was a display model, but you can't beat that. 400 bucks for a Samsung. It's a display, so there's no stand. So I'm actually gonna brave it, go to Walmart right now and try to get a TV mount. And then we'll go home and put this thing together. Man, guys, if you saw the end of that, the bolts that came with the TV mount didn't screw in very well. It felt like it was good. Put that thing up and you guys saw it, it came toppling down. So, man, I had a buddy come over, help me put it back up. I wiped it off, it looked like it was okay. We turned it on, boom, big old spider webs and colors all through it. It was busted. So luckily guys, my guy at Best Buy is gonna attempt to take it back for me. But we went to Walmart, got a sale TV, got that thing mounted, and we're ready to roll. Check it out.
And I don't want no LASIK, so no, guys, I'm not doing LASIK, damn it. But anyways, we're doing our first tutorial. We're gonna record our first tutorial since stay-at-home order.
Guys, sorry I didn't document the whole process of swapping all the TVs and all that, but honestly, the maddest I've been in, man, a long time. So my blood was boiling for a minute. Then I thought the TV was gonna be okay. It was just scuffed. Then we finally get it up, put it up, and like I said, it was busted. So not able to use that. Then we head to Walmart to get a new TV. We get to Walmart, I left my wallet at home. So JT had to buy the TV and I pay him back. Then we head home and I left my keys in the house, so I can't get in the house. Then we get in the house, I went and got a spare key from my mother-in-law. Then we get in the house and the mounts for this TV are in the middle of the TV. The mount for the other TV was at the top. So I had to move the wall mount down about 2 feet. Oh man, what a day, guys. Anyways, you guys got lots of footage from the beginning of my day. About the last 4 hours was spent just trying to figure out this TV setup. But it's all done, guys. I hope you guys liked it. That's just a little look into my day. I thought I'd show you guys kind of how I do the color cards, show you guys my office and what I'm setting up. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did. Click that subscribe button. You guys already know I got some dope content coming. I've been revamping my whole setup. So probably my next video or two is gonna be all new, my intro and all of that. So I'm probably gonna go in and show you guys a little bit of the process of revamping the website, the YouTube, how I do my logos and all that. Before we go back to work, guys, we're a week away from going back to work. So I'm about to have some haircuts for you guys. Appreciate you watching. Catch you guys next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.